Imperial Cantonese Roast Goose, Siu Enjiu. A delicious Chinese main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 to 8 servings. Preparation takes about 24 hours, includes drying time. And cooking takes around 1 hour 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1 piece whole goose, 2 tablespoons kosher salt, 1 tablespoon 5 spice powder, 1 teaspoon sand ginger powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons rose wine, 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce, 1 cube red fermented bean curd, 50 grams ginger and scallions, 3 pieces star anise. Step 1. Thoroughly clean the goose, removing any remaining pin feathers and excess fat from the cavity. Pat the skin extremely dry with paper towels. Step 2. Mix the dry rub and marinade ingredients, salt, 5 spice, sand ginger, sugar, rose wine, hoisin, and bean curd, into a paste. Rub this mixture generously inside the cavity of the goose. Step 3. Stuff the smashed ginger, scallions, and star anise into the cavity. Use a poultry needle or metal skewer to sew the cavity shut tightly so no juices escape during roasting. Step 4. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Hold the goose by the neck and carefully lay boiling water over the entire skin for 1 to 2 minutes until the skin tightens and turns slightly translucent. Step 5. In a small saucepan, combine the maltose, both vinegars, and 2 cups of water. Heat gently until the maltose is fully dissolved. This is the glazing liquid. Step 6. Lay the warm glazing liquid over the blanched goose skin several times, ensuring every inch is coated. This creates the crisp, lacquered finish. Step 7. Hang the goose in a cool, breezy place or in front of a fan for at least 12 to 24 hours. The skin must feel like parchment paper before it hits the oven. Step 8. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the goose on a roasting rack set over a tray filled with an inch of water to catch drippings and prevent smoking. Step 9. Roast the goose for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, then lower the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit, and continue roasting for another 45 to 55 minutes. Step 10. Check for doneness. The internal temperature at the thickest part of the thigh should reach 75 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and the skin should be a deep, glossy mahogany. Step 11. Remove from the oven and let the goose rest undisturbed for at least 20 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring the meat stays moist. Step 12. Carefully remove the skewers to drain the aromatic cavity juices into a ball. This can be used as a dipping juice. Carve the goose into bite-sized pieces using a sharp cleaver, ensuring each piece has a bit of skin. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.